Hey guys, what's up? So if you've got an HP DeskJet 3755 printer, I don't know how to scan something, don't worry. I know using a printer for the first time isn't easy, especially when those buttons look kinda confusing. But once you know how it works, it's honestly pretty simple. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to scan any document using your HP DeskJet 3755 printer step by step. Alright, let's get into it and start scanning. While your printer's on, press and hold the cancel and wireless buttons together. When you see power button start blinking, release both buttons. Now grab your phone and open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for your printer in the list. It'll show up as HP DeskJet 3700 series. Tap on it to connect. Next, download the HP Smart app on your phone. Once it's installed, create or sign in to your HP account. If you're not sure how to install the app or set up your account, no worries. I've linked separate videos for that down in the description. You can check those out. Once you're signed in and at the home screen, tap on Add Printer. From the options, select Already Connected to the network. Now tap on your printer model. It should show something like HP DeskJet 3700 series. Before you start scanning, remove any paper from the input tray. Close the input tray and the extender so nothing's in the way. Back in the HP Smart app, scroll down and tap on Printer Scan. Feed the document you want to scan into the scan path and make sure the side you want to scan is facing up. If you want to scan multiple documents and create a PDF with them, tap on the batch option at the bottom. Once you're ready, tap on Scan. When your document finishes scanning, you'll see a screen to adjust the edges. Here, adjust the edges and tap on Next. Finally, preview your scanned file and use the options at the bottom to save, print, or share it however you want. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.